What's up, everyone? Mosaic FOTL 18. Good luck. 3 box. Thank you, Wiggy, for the kill. This is a PYT. Then we'll finish off the night with PYC 12. I don't know if we'll have the legs for WWE based on movement. We'll finish off with PYC 12. So just take your PYC 12s. So just take your 12s. Red of reddish. Nice. Storm Chasers for the Suns of Kevin Durant. Nice. Blue auto of Agbaji for the Jazz. Nice piece, Sport Fang. Nice. Blue of Sohan for the Spurs. Very nice. Nice piece. Anthony Davis red. Pink swirl of Zach LaVine. A nice pink behind it. Keegan Murray for the Kings. Nice. Take on McWiggleson. Nice piece on the kill. Wendell Moore. Third year blue or second year blue of Suggs. LeBron red. Purple notoriety of Steph for Golden State. There you go, Nas. Pink. Simons. Swirl of Monk for the Kings. Box 2. Let's squeeze out PYC 12. It's down to 6. We'll time limit it. Koloko green swirl to 5. Nice. Jabari OG pink for the Raptors. Notoriety Mosaic of Bencaro. Brunson red. Nice. Overdrive of Luca. Shaded. Tie blue auto for the Rockets. Reddish blue. Ivy. Mobley red. Williams intro purple. No, this is the last gold. We don't have more right now. Nice. Nice second year. There you go, E. Chang. It's good you said something. I missed the order. Jalen Green gold. Nice piece, E. Chang. 8 of 10. Very nice piece. Roddy red. Straight fire of Tatum. Pink swirl. Cam Thomas. Nets. Incognito. Tie. Blue of Jalen Duran. Last box, nice break. Mellow silver. Nice overdrive of LeBron. There you go, Ferguson. Ooh. How about Anthony Edwards for Minnesota? Jesse, nice piece. What a break. Let's take our number 12, our 12 of a color. So we go straight in. Chet, Suggs. Pink of Tucker. No problem, Pribsy. Paolo. Jalen with an eye, pink. Luca silver, pink of Trey Man. Purple of Kyrie. Montage. Keegan rookie silver, nice. Blue of Towns. Tucker pink swirl, Philly. LaRavia red. See Razzle. Nice. Tatum razzle dazzle for the Ticks. Another nice break. Mosaic FOTL has been nice. We're seeing blue non-auto hit like crazy. Pink hit like crazy. Purple hit like crazy. You're seeing pink swirl hit like crazy. Oh, these spots happen to be there. Nice Edwards. Nice Jalen. Nice Keegan. Really nice.